What if I told you that you can advertise your product using powerful storytelling without any subscription or expensive tools? And you can do all this with just your smartphone. In this video, I'll show you how to use 100% free AI tools to create story-driven video adverts that connect emotionally and actually convert. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll also share with you how to generate endless story ideas for your video advert, even if you are not a storyteller. Welcome back to Zara Studios, your go-to channel for trending AI tools and smart content strategy. If you're new here, consider subscribing because massive value awaits you. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are my real MVP. This video is the part 2 of my previous tutorial. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it up at the top right corner, or you can click on the video description to watch it after this one. Now, let's dive in. The very first platform I used is Grok AI, and I just used my own idea to generate my prompt. Okay, so once you are here, so just click on Imagine at the top here, and I'll paste my prompt right here. A beautiful girl wearing a crop top and a jean. That's all I typed, and it gave me all these amazing images. Grok gave me unlimited amount of images. So I began to download. So I'll just click on one of it and I click on download. And while downloading this, if you scroll down, you will see it gives another variety of the similar type of image that you have just generated. So I looked through again and I also downloaded another set of images, and that was how I was able to download this 1, 2, 3 images. Now I took all these images to Whisk AI. So now let's go to Whisk. The link to all the websites I use will be in my Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the description or on the pinned post in the comment section. So this is Whisk. The very first thing I did was to click on this arrow here to expand that particular section. And once the section is expanded, I clicked on this arrow here, which is plus, to add 2 more subjects. So I was able to attach this image, and this image. These are the 3 images I generated from Grok. Okay. So now, once that is done, turn to this right hand side here and come to the box, come to the settings and select your desired aspect ratio. So I click on this and I selected 9:16. Click on settings, make sure precise reference is turned on. This is what will keep your character consistent. Okay. Once that is done, so to add a subject, you click on this plus sign right here. And as you can see, there's a subject space right here. If you tap on it, you will see that there's a pencil icon. If you want to generate your images right here on Whisk, this is what you will use. But if you have already generated your images from any other platform, this is where you will click. You click on this one and it will allow you attach an image from your phone gallery. Okay, so I'm not going to be doing that right now because I have already attached all the images I wanted. To add all your characters one after the other into one picture, you have to select this. Make sure this particular box is checked. Okay, so check it. You can see I'm checking it right now. So the box is checked. So here is the prompt I gave it. Add all 3 ladies into one picture. They are all sitting on a sofa in a cozy sitting room. And that is it. You click on enter. Before you know it, Whisk will generate something very amazing for you. And that was how I was able to get all the images I created for this particular video advert. As you can see, this is the image it just generated for me right now. Okay, as you can see, the 3 of them are seated on a sofa and it will generate 2 images. This is the very second one, which is beautiful. It is not in any way different from the previous ones I have generated. As you can see, it generated all this. So to generate this one, I told it to make sure one of the lady is standing and the other one is seated. and the other twos are seated, and that was how it generated this one for me. So I generated it in different style. To generate only these two ladies, make sure that only their two images is checked. So all you have to do is come back to this place here and uncheck the box of this one. So once you uncheck the box for this one, you'd give it your prompt for Whisk to add the two ladies together in the same cozy room sitting on a sofa. And that was how I was able to get this. So at the end, I wanted the lady on pink to stand alone. So I went back to my subject and I unchecked these two ladies and I left only this lady checked. Once only this lady is checked, I was able to generate this one right here. And I didn't want that. I wanted that to face the camera. So I wrote another prompt. If you click on the image, you see your prompt. So this is the prompt I gave it. She is standing in a cozy sitting room holding a smartphone while looking at the camera. She is wearing a bomb shot, both hands on the phone, and it generated this particular image for me. To download any of these images, I just tap on the top left corner of this image and you will see this download button. It will appear. So you click on it and it will download onto your device. Easy peasy. So that was how I was able to get all the images I used for this particular video. The next thing is I took all the images to Grok and I went to animate it and also give it a lip sync. Whenever I want to generate videos on Grok, I prefer using the browser. So just go to any browser of your choice and type in grok.com and then sign in using your Google account. Okay. Once that is done, click on this particular button here, which is Imagine. Make sure you're on the desktop site. If you click on the three dots at the top right corner, you should find something like this, which says desktop site. So you turn it on. Your own might slightly display in a different way, but it's the same method. Click on this particular button right here. You can long press on it. If you click on it and it disappears, all you have to do is long press on it and it will bring you the option to change this into a video and also select your desired aspect ratio. So I'm going to leave this on this 9:16, which is TikTok size, and I'm going to make sure it is on video. That is what will help us generate a video. Now click on this particular attach button right here. You click on upload file. You see upload file right here. Click on upload file. If it is hanging or you're having issues with it, just click on the menu bar right here and click on refresh. See the refresh button right here. You just click on refresh and it will refresh. So now let's click on the attach button again and attach our image. Click on photos and videos. Go to your gallery to select the exact image you want to animate. So I'm just going to click on this and click on done. As you can see, the image has been attached. Now this is where you want to type what you want them to say, and I want them to use Nigerian English. If you want a particular character to talk, you have to describe the character, maybe by what they are wearing, by the color of their clothes, or by the color of their hair. Just look for one unique and distinct thing that the AI will recognize, use it to identify them, and now type in what they said in front of it. Okay. So this is the prompt I gave it. In Nigerian English, the lady on braids said, I hope this course has a support group if I want to ask questions. The other lady said, this is very important. So if you just have two people, all you have to do is identify the very first person. Then the other person, you can just say, the other person said, okay? Identify them with something unique that the AI will be able to pinpoint and know that this is the particular person you are referring to. So I'm just going to click on the enter button and we'll wait for a few seconds for this image to be converted into a video.
I hope the course has a support group if I want to ask questions. That is very important.
As you can see, the video came out nice. Sometimes two people will be talking instead of one person. You might have to regenerate it. All you have to do is just click on this redo button and it will redo itself. And another thing you need to take note is that sometimes the beginning of a particular video may not be good, but the ending may be okay, or the middle. Download that video and regenerate until when you get the perfect one. Okay, there might be no particular one that is perfect. So you might have to cut the middle of this one and join it with the beginning of another one that is very okay. Another thing you need to take note is that if the dialogue you are giving Grok is too much, it begins to mumble the words together. So when you notice that, all you have to do is reduce the number of things you want them to say and then generate it in batches. The longer the words you're asking them to say, the more Grok will fumble the words together. So now let me show you some of the ones I have generated before.
In bonus section, we were giving access to CapCut Pro for Android users only. Really? That's so cool.
As you can see, this particular one is fine. The lady in pink is the one talking, and this is the prompt I gave it. In Nigerian English, the lady standing wearing pink said, in the bonus section, we were giving access to CapCut Pro for Android users only. And the other girls said, really? That's so cool. That is how you'll be able to generate your videos in batches, and then you use a video editor to combine them together. Let's look at another video.
Joy, you mean this song is AI generated? Yes,
So as you can see, this is the lady talking, the one on braids. And how did I get her to talk out of the three of them? This is the prompt I gave it. The lady on braids said in Nigerian English, Joy, you mean this song is AI generated? The lady on pink said, yes, so, and as you can see, it came out well. And the English they are using is actually Nigerian English. Now, the next thing is for us to go to any video editing app and then go and combine all these things together. Remove the ones that are bad, cut the ones that are not so good, and then combine the good ones together. To download your video, click on this download button right here and it will download onto your device. So you click on download again. Open your CapCut app and click on new video and then select the clips. Now click on this HD so that it can upload the highest quality for you before you click on add. Now all your video clips has been added. All you have to do is play it over and over again and begin to cut out the mistakes, the ones that did not generate properly. Cut them out and leave the good ones. If there's any other one that you feel is supposed to be there and is not there, go back to Grok and regenerate it and then bring it back to come and add it here.
You were just spending money, like say tomorrow no day. Cut soap for us now.
As you can see at the beginning of this, they were not saying anything. So I could just click on this and then use this particular button to crop it out like this. Or I could just put it on the place I want to edit and then click on split right here. Once you click on split, you will see this delete button. Click on delete. Select the exact one you want to delete so you don't delete the wrong one. So I'm just going to click on this one, this smaller one, and I'll delete this. And as you can see, it has been deleted. So you repeat this process for all your videos, playing them one after the other and cutting away the mistakes and leaving the exact one you want to be there. Then you play your video again to make sure that everything is in line the way you want it to be. Now, once all that is done, before you export your video, click on any of this clip. Once you click on it, you scroll at the bottom, you see adjust. Click on adjust, then scroll until you see sharpen. Sharpen it to 50%. Increase the saturation to 5 or 6. Come to clarity, click on clarity and increase it to 5. Come to brightness, click on brightness and increase it to 5 as well. Now go to temperature. Click on temperature and reduce the temperature to maybe like 15. As you can see, the effect of the temperature is very noticeable. So I'm just going to leave my temperature to -25. Okay. Now, once all that is done, click on apply to all. Then click on this good sign right here. And this is your video. It is more beautiful. Once you're good with this, click on this particular button right here. Make sure this one is on 1080p. This is on 30 frames per second and this is on recommended. And I'm going to turn off this one. I don't really like it. Now I'll click on export. As you can see, our video is exporting right now. This is the outcome of the video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section.
Joy, show us the way now. We saw the way you were balling all through the Christmas period.
You were just spending money, like say tomorrow no day. Cut soap for us now.
Omo, I made over 300K in December creating song for small business owners online.
Wow.
Listen to one of the songs I created for one of my clients.
BT cakes and services, na correct store. Your party go sweet, it go make sense so. Wedding birthday, chop and dance so. BT day for you, we go balance so.
Joy, you mean this song is AI generated?
Yes, so
It sounds like Whisk AI and Davido combined. How did you learn this? I saw the advert video on Instagram and I signed up for the course. Is it only music generation you were taught? No, the course is value packed. This is the course outline. 1. AI song creation for business. 2. Professional photo shoots with AI. Interesting. 3. Couples photo shoots with AI. 4. Product photography with AI. 5. AI video creation. 6. Create birthday and advert flyers with AI. 7. 3D birthday and advert video creation. In bonus section, we were given access to CapCut Pro for Android users only. Really? The most amazing thing is that the class is hosted on Telegram, so I get to learn at my own pace with a good support on WhatsApp. This is value overload oh. How can we sign up? Just click on the Learn More button below to pay for the class before the price goes up.
To get powerful story ideas for your video adverts, start by looking right where your audience is already talking. Your comment section and DMs. Your customers are literally telling you what story to create, so pay attention. Pay attention to the frequently asked questions, the complaints, and the repeated concerns. These are pain points, and pain points makes the best story-based advert. For example, if people keep asking, does this actually work? Create a short story showing someone who doubted the product, tried it, and got results. If customer says, I don't have time, tell a story about a busy person who solved that exact problem using your product. If they ask, is it beginner friendly? Create a story showing a complete beginner using it effortlessly. You can also turn your product features and benefits into stories instead of boring adverts. For example, instead of saying our app is fast, show a story where someone saved hours and finished their work before anyone else. Instead of affordable pricing, show someone comparing expensive options, feeling frustrated, and then discovering your product and feeling relieved. Now decide on any of the story idea and take it to ChatGPT. Ask it to convert it into a storytelling advert that converts for you. You can now use that script to generate your story like I did in this video tutorial. When you turn real questions and pain points and benefits into short stories, your advert feels natural, relatable, and most importantly, they convert. Tell me in the comment section, which of these storytelling formats will you employ? Is it the pain points, features and benefits, or frequently asked questions? I am sure you got value from this video, so do well to like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome and amazing content like this. Till I come your way next time, I remain your girl Zara, and I'll see you in my next video. But before you go, do well to check out some of my previous videos and you will not be disappointed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.